Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with an unforgettable moral about finding true purpose through kindness and support for others. What if a simple chair could feel lonely? In a quiet village workshop lived Chali, a wooden chair with curved legs, dreaming of being more than just furniture. Chali longed for someone to sit and share stories. Yet dust gathered on his seat, while other chairs found homes in lively kitchens and warm family gatherings. His heart creaked with sorrow as he imagined children laughing while reading books, something he believed he would never experience within his silent corner. One day, a little girl named Maribel entered the workshop, her eyes wide with curiosity. She wandered past tall shelves until she noticed Chali in shadows. Maribel placed her hand gently on the chair's armrest. She whispered, "Why are you hiding back here?" and smiled as if she heard Chali's unspoken sigh. Carefully, she pulled Chali out into the light. Dust sparkled in sunbeams, and for the first time, he felt proud, his wood glowing warmly like polished amber. Maribel carried a heavy book under her arm. She sat on Chali, opened the pages, and soon her laughter filled the room with a music Chali never knew. As Maribel read aloud, Chali imagined wings forming from his legs, carrying them both through meadows of words and oceans of colorful, dancing illustrations. The workshop owner noticed the girl's joy. He decided Maribel could borrow Chali, though he never realized how deeply the chair longed for this very moment. In Maribel's home, Chali discovered a world of sounds, fire crackling, spoons clinking, and songs hummed before bedtime, making his wooden frame feel deeply alive. Each evening, Maribel curled up with her stories. Chali's seat grew warm beneath her, and he cherished every word, every giggle, every moment of companionship. But then, one night, Maribel brought another chair into her room, a shiny one with painted flowers. Chali's heart sank as he feared being forgotten again. The painted chair was elegant, but cold. When Maribel tried reading there, she shifted uncomfortably. She frowned, muttering that it didn't feel right somehow. Surprised, Chali realized comfort mattered more than appearances. He remembered every night spent holding her, steady and supportive, through stories both silly and serious. The next evening, Maribel returned to him with relief. "You're the one," she whispered. Chali glowed with joy, brighter than the lamp shining above them. But just as he felt safe again, a storm roared outside. The house shook, lightning flashed, and rain pounded as shadows darted across Maribel's small room. Frightened, Maribel clutched her book tightly, eyes wide. Chali wanted to protect her, though he was only wood. Still, his frame stood steady through thunder. Suddenly, the shiny painted chair toppled with a loud crash. Maribel gasped and turned, but Chali remained firm beneath her, unshaken by the storm's fury. With tears in her eyes, Maribel whispered, "You're not just a chair. You're my safe place." And Chali's heart filled with strength he never knew. After that night, Chali felt different. He wasn't merely furniture, he was a guardian of stories, of laughter, and of Maribel's comfort in every storm. Days passed, and soon Chali's surface bore gentle scratches from endless reading sessions, each mark telling a tale of loyalty and shared adventures together. Visitors admired the painted chair, but Maribel always guided them toward Chali, declaring, "This is where the best stories come alive in my imagination." Over time, even the shiny painted chair seemed lonely. Maribel placed it beside Chali so no chair would be forgotten, teaching both about sharing space. The two chairs listened together as Maribel's voice lifted, filling the room with color. Chali no longer felt alone, but part of a greater story. One evening, Maribel read a tale about a brave knight who protected villagers not with weapons, but by always being there when needed the most. Chali shivered with recognition. He realized that, like the knight, his bravery came not from fighting, but from holding steady when fear threatened to win. Maribel stroked his armrest tenderly. "Thank you for being here," she whispered. Her words sank into his wood like light, sealing his true destiny forever. Seasons changed, storms came and went, but Maribel and Chali remained inseparable. Each story bound them closer, weaving friendship into the very grain of wood. Whenever other children visited, Chali opened his seat gladly, learning that comfort and support were gifts that grew stronger when shared with many hearts. Moral: being steady, supportive, and kind makes us truly valuable, because comfort given to others creates bonds stronger than appearances or fleeting beauty. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.